Do you know that having diabetes can significantly raise the concern for heart disease? Diabetes and heart disease go hand in hand. The connection between these two conditions is irrefutable. And still, so many people don't realize the dangers until it's too late. Diabetes can severely affect your cardiovascular health. If you are diabetic, then you must take proactive steps for better heart health. Don't worry, heart health can easily be managed with natural and holistic medicines. Hello and good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Jigyasa. I welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Well, in this video, I will tell you how diabetes is linked to heart disease. I will also guide you on how you can save your heart with holistic medicines if you are diabetic. So let's begin. Well, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more health related updates. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body processes sugar or glucose. It is all a game of insulin. In a healthy person, insulin helps transport glucose into cells for energy. But in the case of diabetes, either the body doesn't produce enough insulin or it can't use insulin effectively. Over time, if you remain unconcerned about diabetes or do not monitor your glucose level regularly, then these high blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels, nerves, tissues, and vital organs, including your heart. We have learned that heart disease is common in diabetes as 32.2% of people with type 2 diabetes have cardiovascular disease. I know this number is apparently shocking as 1/3 of people with diabetes have heart disease. Not only that number, but heart disease is the leading cause of death for people with diabetes. Now let us move on to the topic of how diabetes deteriorates one's heart health. I will explain 3 reasons why diabetes affects your heart. The uncontrolled high blood sugar damages the lining of your blood vessels, making them more susceptible to plaque building. We call this condition as atherosclerosis, which narrows your arteries and increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Diabetes also triggers chronic inflammation in the body, which further contributes to heart disease by making arteries narrower and less flexible. People with diabetes often complain of high blood pressure and unhealthy cholesterol levels, which puts extra strain on your heart. These factors give rise to risks of cardiovascular disease. About 2/3 of adults living with diabetes have high blood pressure. Well, I have explained to you how high sugar can affect your heart health. Now, I will talk about how you can guard your heart and control your blood glucose. Start consuming plant-based lean protein and healthy fats. Add a plate of salad to your meals. If possible, try to take it with your every meal. Avoid consuming dairy products such as processed cheese, butter, and milk. Cut off all sugary and salted foods from your diet. Remove processed food items from your dining table as they are loaded with preservatives and artificial flavors. Keep yourself hydrated all the time, as hydration maintains a good fluid balance in the body. Exercise regularly, not heavy exercises but light and mindful practices. You can walk for 20 minutes or do deep breathing for 10 minutes. It will lower your stress and boost your energy. Monitor your blood glucose and blood pressure regularly as it will prevent further complications. Take proper sleep of enough hours as sleep acts as a revitalizer, balances your hormones and helps maintain several body functions. Alright, so these are some tips that will keep your diabetes and heart in check. We know that heart problems are very common nowadays as more than 500 million people are affected by cardiovascular disease. But no worries. Heart disease can be well treated with a natural and holistic system of medicines. Homeopathy treats several problems of the heart with no side effects, unlike modern medicines. It is safe and effective and acts on the patient's whole constitution. Homeopathic medicines give holistic relief, not symptomatic ones. Homeopathic medicines are prescribed after a full case assessment. Medicines prescribed in the treatment match the patient's physical and psychological symptoms. Thus, after beginning the treatment, a patient feels elevated energy levels and overall improvement of their health. Bharat Homeopathy holds a strong record of happy patient feedback who have recovered from their cardiovascular issues with our personalized and customized homeopathic treatment. We are a team of experienced doctors who fully analyze the reports, patient's condition, and disease. We have been constantly working to bring holistic relief to the condition with no side effects. Embrace the power of natural medicines and see a major improvement in your disease in less time. If you have any questions related to cardiovascular disease or homeopathic treatment, you can call us and talk to us today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.